When your commute calls for more than just convenience, the Lurpe R1 delivers both movement and power in one durable frame. This 3-in-1 electric scooter blends cutting-edge performance with emergency utility, giving urban riders and outdoor explorers a powerful edge. With a peak speed of 15.5 miles per hour, it handles city streets with confidence. Its 500-watt output motor makes inclines and varied terrain manageable, while regenerative braking and smooth throttle response create a seamless ride. Versatility meets precision in this tactically engineered carry system built for those who demand efficiency without compromise. Constructed with adaptability in mind, the design features more than 30 strategically placed pockets to ensure every tool, gadget, or accessory finds its rightful place. The clamshell opening unfolds a full 180 degrees, giving you complete access in seconds. Ideal for on-the-go professionals, digital nomads, or gear-heavy creatives. Built for high-demand users, this compact 8-in-1 charging station delivers relentless power and flawless control. With a massive 260-watt total output, it handles laptops, tablets, phones, wearables, and more, all at once. A PD 140-watt single output means even power-hungry devices like MacBooks charge at full speed without compromise. The charger's sleek interface features a real-time wattage display, keeping you informed with precision. No guessing, no overheating, just efficient performance. The Focus Sound see-through glass directional speaker is a unique blend of innovative sound technology and modern decor. This sleek, transparent speaker utilizes advanced directional audio, allowing sound to travel in a focused beam towards the listener, creating an immersive experience without disturbing the surrounding area. Its invisible headphone effect makes it perfect for spaces where quiet listening is a priority, such as in offices, libraries, or personal spaces. Introducing the Titaner Titanium Folding Fan, a meticulously crafted tool that combines elegance and functionality in a sleek, compact design. This limited-release fan is expertly constructed from high-grade titanium, offering durability and lightweight convenience for a variety of uses. Whether for cooling during hot days, adding flair to performances, or even self-defense, this fan stands out in every regard. The folding fan's titanium frame ensures a robust structure that resists wear and tear, making it a reliable accessory for both everyday use and special occasions. Some workspaces look organized, others are organized. The Altai wireless charging desk mat falls firmly into the second category, an intentional blend of refined aesthetics and everyday function that clears clutter and powers your essentials. Designed with versatility in mind, this dual-sided desk mat features premium vegan leather on one side for a modern wipe-clean surface and soft felt on the other for a warmer tactile experience. Its standout feature is a detachable wireless charging panel that magnetically snaps to either side, left or right, charging both your smartphone at up to 15 watts and earbuds at 5 watts simultaneously. Compatible with MagSafe devices, the charger integrates seamlessly into your workflow. Engineered for professionals who demand precision, the Neo Ruler redefines measurement with its 12-inch digital edge and plus or minus 0.004-inch accuracy. Whether you're in the studio, on-site, or at the drafting table, this smart scale ruler adapts instantly to your workflow. Equipped with 93 built-in scales, it seamlessly toggles between US imperial and metric units, covering both architectural and engineering needs with confidence and speed. The Sparrows U3 is a versatile lighting tool designed for both functionality and convenience. With a range of features including a red light, green laser, UV light, and side light, this device can meet various needs, from emergency situations to recreational activities. The red light is ideal for preserving night vision, while the green laser can serve as a pointer or signal. The UV light is useful for detecting counterfeit items or exploring hidden areas, and the side light provides ample illumination for close-up tasks. Late-night raids, open-world adventures, or split-screen duels, whatever your style, this gaming bed transforms your space into a true command center. Tailored for adults who refuse to compromise comfort or performance, this setup combines immersive tech, smart design, and bold aesthetics. Packed with features that matter, it includes a 32-inch HD TV built into the footend, fully upgradable to a 43-inch 4K screen. In aerial cinematography, clarity, control, and endurance define excellence, and the DJI Air 3S raises that bar. Tailored for serious travelers and photographers, this drone introduces a refined 1-inch CMOS main camera that captures sharp, expressive imagery, even in dimly lit moments like dusk and nighttime. Shoot in cinematic 4K at 60 frames per second with HDR, unleashing up to 14 stops of dynamic range to showcase cloud layers, reflections, and fine textures with clarity. The fellow Espresso Series 1 marks a significant expansion in the company's lineup, stepping into the world of espresso machines with a product designed for both newcomers and experienced baristas. With a price tag of $1,500, it's positioned within the higher-end market, but offers exceptional value through its customizable features. Unlike many competitors, the Series 1 allows full control over brewing parameters, including temperature, pressure, extraction time, and steaming. When every second counts, whether you're racing daylight on a mountain trail or commuting through city chaos, you need gear that works fast and right. Enter the AirVot, a 4-in-1 tire inflator engineered for smart, high-performance inflation on the go. Compact, yet mighty. It weighs only 7.4 ounces and is built with a cordless frame that fits effortlessly in your palm, backpack, or glove box. Cyclists, bikers, campers, and ballers, this one's built for you. The Sony wireless portable speaker ULT Field 3 combines rugged durability with powerful audio performance, designed to withstand the elements while delivering impressive sound. Whether you're at the beach, hiking, or camping, this Bluetooth speaker's IP67 rating ensures full protection against water, dust, and rust. The shock-proof design guarantees reliable use even in the toughest conditions, offering peace of mind while you enjoy your favorite tunes. When conversations matter, precision tools make the difference. The Oliap Archer Meeting headset is designed for professionals who need reliable clarity, seamless transcription, and effortless summary, all in real time. Backed by a patented 50 decibel environmental noise cancellation system, it isolates your voice in noisy environments, ensuring your words come through crisp and clear. Comfort isn't an afterthought, it's engineered into the design. The EasyPlay 1S is a compact and versatile music keyboard designed for both beginners and experienced musicians. Its 25-key 3x5 layout provides a convenient and portable option for creating music on the go. Additionally, the EasyPlay 1S offers an impressive 8 hours of continuous playtime, making it a reliable choice for extended sessions, whether you're practicing, composing, or performing. Wherever you are, at home, on the road, or mid-travel, your health shouldn't wait. The BMO 4-in-1 Multiscan delivers real-time health insights in the palm of your hand, helping you care for your family or yourself with accuracy and speed. Built with 4 advanced medical-grade sensors, this compact handheld tool monitors temperature, cardiovascular, and respiratory systems, and supports telehealth integration, giving you a complete health snapshot in under 60 seconds. BMO goes beyond temperature checks. Record a full 1-lead ECG in just 30 seconds to detect arrhythmias like AFib, then share it instantly via HealthLink for a specialist review, available within 24 hours. The COR pump is a powerful and compact solution designed to elevate your kitesurfing experience. With a maximum output of 15 psi, it ensures fast inflation, reducing pump time by up to 50%. Its travel-size design makes it convenient for carrying to your next adventure. Whether you're heading to the beach or the lake, this pump is ideal for all types of kites, paddleboards, and even car tires, offering versatility in one portable package. Shooting games always brought us a rush of excitement, a chance to test our reflexes and accuracy in a safe and controlled environment. But how many of us ever learned the true techniques behind it? Sure, we aimed and fired, but without proper guidance, we were left to rely on instincts and luck. That's where training comes into play. Effective practice isn't just about pulling the trigger, it's about developing the right habits, patience, and focus. Engineered with a vintage aesthetic yet stacked with cutting-edge performance, the 8-bit.to Retro R8 mouse in addition redefines precision and versatility for modern workflows and competitive play. Inspired by retro consoles but powered by present-day internals, this wireless mouse blends nostalgia with high-end specs, anchored by the PAW3395 optical sensor offering up to 26,000 dpi. Every inch of your space deserves a tool as dynamic as your lifestyle. Engineered for maximum utility, this ultra-compact powerhouse isn't just a vacuum. It's your on-demand cleaning companion, emergency air pump, and backup power source in one. At only 1.2 pounds, this sleek device delivers a remarkable 18 kilopascals of suction strength and spins up to an astonishing 93,000 revolutions per minute, conquering dust, debris, and even pet hair from tight corners and car interiors. Tactile precision meets compact utility in this reimagined everyday essential. Crafted for those who value sleek form and smart function, this minimalist wallet stows up to 5 cards without sacrificing durability or access. A fan-style deployment delivers a crisp, satisfying metal click each time you open it, making every transaction feel intentional. Hidden inside its clean silhouette is a pocket-sized multi-tool. A discreetly integrated knife provides reliable cutting power when you need it most. Engineered for precision and comfort, this 360-degree rotation metal phone stand delivers flexibility with effortless style. Its fully rotatable hinge lets you adjust your phone to virtually any angle, perfect for hands-free FaceTime, Zoom calls, or streaming. Easily switch between portrait and landscape modes for a personalized, comfortable viewing setup at home or on the go. The tilt and height adjustments take just 1 second, offering instant relief from neck strain and poor posture. When temperatures climb and shade offers no relief, a pocket-sized powerhouse makes all the difference. The Jisu Life Handheld Fan Pro 1S stands out with industrial-grade engineering and a compact frame, delivering cold air faster and stronger than typical fans in its class. Inside, a 3-phase brushless motor pair with a robust 5,000 mAh battery to generate air speeds up to 9 meters per second, translating to a furious 15,000 revolutions per minute. When the thrill of racing meets the precision of engineering, you get Wincible, the compact wind tunnel that transforms your desk into a testing ground for your die-cast cars. Designed for serious enthusiasts, this gadget doesn't just sit pretty beside your monitor. It brings air, speed, and science right to your fingertips. Built with a love for both model cars and real-world aerodynamics, Wincible lets you simulate airflow like an F1 team. The Vista portable hammock and stand offers a perfect blend of comfort and convenience for outdoor relaxation. Designed for those who value both portability and ease of setup, this hammock comes with a lightweight, easy-to-assemble frame that ensures a hassle-free experience wherever you go. Ideal for camping trips, beach days, or backyard lounging, its compact carrying bag allows for easy transportation and storage. The Mini Proca 7 brings performance and portability together in an innovative package. Packed with the powerful AMD Ryzen 9 6900HX CPU, this compact device ensures smooth multitasking and rapid processing speeds. Whether you're working on demanding applications or enjoying high-resolution content, the device excels at providing seamless performance. With DDR5 RAM options ranging from 8 GB to 32 GB, the Mini Proca 7 adapts to your computing needs, offering efficient memory handling for both casual users and power users alike. In a world seeking harmony between technology and nature, the MUI Board Gen 2 rises as a bridge to a more peaceful home. Crafted with a warm, natural wood surface, it empowers you to control your environment effortlessly, staying true to the calm technology philosophy. Technology that blends into life and appears only when needed. Now revolutionized, the Gen 2 introduces Matter connectivity, offering broader compatibility with IoT devices across different platforms. SoulCube offers an innovative way to memorialize your pet, allowing you to preserve their memory through a personalized 3D hologram. This groundbreaking technology helps pet owners reconnect with their pets long after they've passed, offering comfort and healing. By transforming your photos and videos into a lifelike 3D avatar, SoulCube brings your pet's spirit back to life in a way that feels intimate and real. The interactive hologram created by SoulCube doesn't just stand still. It responds to your presence. Fast, efficient, and portable, the Fantic X8 Apex Tire Inflator is designed to provide rapid inflation for a variety of vehicles, including MPVs, cars, e-bikes, and motorcycles. With a powerful 150 psi capacity, it ensures that tires are inflated quickly, often in just 1 minute, making it ideal for roadside emergencies or regular maintenance. The compact, cordless design allows for easy use without the hassle of tangled cords or searching for power outlets. Precision meets elegance in the low-free flow, an ultra-thin, low-profile mechanical keyboard built to elevate your daily typing experience. At just under 1 inch thick, its streamlined silhouette slips seamlessly into minimalist workspaces while still delivering the tactile satisfaction enthusiasts expect. Outfitted with Kyle full palm switches, each keystroke feels buttery smooth with minimal friction, ensuring a refined, consistent typing feel across the board. The Flairosol. Olivia Olive Oil Sprayer offers a precise and efficient way to manage your oil usage with its advanced fan spray atomizing nozzle. This innovative design delivers an ultra-fine mist that ensures even coverage, allowing you to control the exact amount of oil in your cooking. A single, full stroke dispenses approximately 0.04 ounce of oil, making it easier to follow calorie-conscious recipes without the need for excess fat. When precision meets portability, the result is a tool designed for modern demands, the Zera M. Engineered with an impressive 8,000 RPM motor, this compact, cutting-edge shaver delivers a consistently smooth shave, even against thicker stubble. Its pocket-sized body, weighing just a few ounces, ensures you're always ready for a quick touch-up. Noise is no distraction with Zera M's ultra-quiet 30 decibel performance.